Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Pleased to meet you. My name is Adam.
Pleased to meet you, Adam. I'm Leticia.
What is your name?
Leticia.
Leticia.
Yeah, I like that.
Close. That's a nice name.
Yeah, I like.
Where are you from?
I'm calling from a small city in the north of Brazil.
Oh, really? And what is your city called?
Mm, sorry?
What is the name of your city?
Oh, it's called Porto Velho.
Porto Velho.
It's like old harbor.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I
Ah,
I think that is the translation.
okay. And you have you're right by the ocean?
No, it's like a port in the river. We have
I
river here.
see.
Yeah, I live in the Amazon rainforest.
Wow.
Yeah, so our river in my city, there is a river that flows for Amazon River. It's the biggest river from the right side of Amazon River. Can I say that?
Yeah. Yeah, to the right, that would be the east.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. I've never talked to anyone from the Amazon.
Wow, I'm the
Yeah.
first.
Yes. I talk to people from Brazil and I ask them if they've ever been to the Amazon, and a lot of them haven't been there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, the first class that I teach you that it's that I am having my breakfast, and do you know what is this?
Oh, what is that? I've never seen that before.
Yeah, this called tapioca.
Oh, tapioca. Yes.
Did
I've
you
had
hear about that?
yeah. I've had tapioca in Asia.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's
It,
from. It's made from. Let me see. How can I say? It's made from a vegetable.
hmm
Let me see. Mandioca. Mandioca. I don't know if I can translate that,
Okay.
but it's made from a vegetable that we
Yeah.
have a lot here. So it's
Ah.
it's like a pancake, but the dough it's different.
I've never seen it in the form that you were eating.
Mm.
No.
Yeah, yeah,
Wow.
it's like a pancake in your you just.
Wow.
Uh,
Is it sweet?
it depends if you want sweet. It's like a pancake, so if
Ah.
you but salt could be how can I say salt or something with salt
Uh, salt? Savory?
savory. Yeah,
Yeah. So, yeah, sweet or savory?
okay, sweet, salty também, né?
Ah.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's very interesting.
Well,
So tell me about yourself.
I'm Leticia.
Yeah.
I'm 26.
Yeah.
I work in a public school, but
Yeah.
I'm not a teacher.
Yeah.
I'm more like a staff guy. I think
Yeah.
so. I really like to learn English. I really like to talk to natives.
Okay.
Yeah. As I am in Cambly since November. I am in Cambly or I am at Cambly?
I have been partaking, or I've been doing Cambly.
I have been, okay, present perfect, right?
Yeah. So I have been.
I have been Cambly.
I've been part of Cambly, or I've been partaking in Cambly.
Partaking. Can I type that?
Yeah, I'll write it for you.
I have been. Okay. Partaking. Whoa.
That's it. Yeah, partaking. So that's been being involved, been doing
Okay.
it. Yeah.
I have been partaking Cambly since November.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Yeah. And have you been enjoying it?
Yeah, I'm enjoying a lot.
Ah, your accent is very good.
Thank you. I'm working to develop and improve my language skills, but it's very hard because we don't have many people to train.
Ah.
Yeah, and I'm trying to learn English by myself, so
Wow.
much more hard. But internet helps a lot.
Yes. It's amazing that we have internet. We can do so many different things now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love your accent.
Oh, do you? Oh, a lot of people can't understand it.
Yeah, because in my country we have a great influence by United of States. So
I see.
we almost doesn't we almost doesn't we almost don't hear English accent.
I see.
Is it English accent, right?
Accent.
Accent.
That's it. Perfect. Yeah. I was going to say you've got a little bit of an American twang to your accent.
Sorry.
So your accent has a little bit of an American twang.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you were quite influenced by listening to American speakers?
Yeah. Almost
I see.
almost all my I think that almost all my source of English are from American. So, but
Yeah.
I like the English the true English by
That's good then. It's
yeah.
really and is there a particular reason why you want to learn English?
Yeah. Well, I think first of all, English is it's very important for. I think that for any professional and nowadays, so I think that learning English, I will be a better professional.
Okay.
More professional. So I think that I could have much more opportunities. So
That's true.
and the second one is that I love travel. So
Nice.
yeah, and I think that if you know how to express yourself in English, it's way to travel more in I don't know how can I say that in the low budget.
Yeah. So like English seems to have become like a global language now, isn't it? So if we travel, we can use English to communicate with each other. Yeah.
That's really I think that's really awesome because I have met I have met
I have met.
Yeah, I have met a lot of people around the world. So I
cool.
already met a guy that lived in Thailand,
Oh,
go in South Africa. So
yeah,
I think that, oh my God, it is,
that's great.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's,
And have you actually traveled out of Brazil, or have you traveled around Brazil?
well, I just was,
Yeah.
I traveled last year to Chile.
Chile, wow.
Yeah, it's a really beautiful country.
Ah,
Yeah.
yes, I've seen it on YouTube. It looks amazing.
Yeah, you can, you have so many opportunities that to to know so many different kind of landscapes. So if
Ah,
want to if you want to visit the Pacific Ocean, you can.
yeah.
If you want to climb the mountains, you can. If you
Ah,
to go to the
desert, yeah.
desert, you can. So
Wow.
actually it's a very small country, but
Oh,
yeah, but have a lot of opportunities to
see different landscapes.
yeah.
Wow. Ah, I must visit there one day.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
recommend you.
Ah, wow. And that's my main hobby. I like to travel a lot. Um, but I haven't been to the Amazon yet.
Well, so this is the COVID. COVID. Can I say that? No, sorry.
Okay.
This is the invitation.
Ah, invitation.
Yeah.
Ah,
Come
cool.
to my city.
Yes. Oh, I have
Beautiful
to visit.
city. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can visit Manaus. It's the capital of the principal state of Amazonia.
Ah.
Yeah, it's called Amazonas.
Oh,
Amazonas. It's the
oh, okay. Wow. Ah. And you just, yeah, for miles and miles, lots of trees.
yeah, but we have the forest. We have the woods, but in the city, it's like a normal city.
Ah, I
I
see.
want
Ah,
to see the forest. There is a lot of nature in the city, but
ah.
the forest, the rainforest, it's more.
It's further away.
Can you type this for me?
Yeah.
Federal. My phone.
So,
Yeah,
ah,
Federal.
ah,
But
wow.
it's not too long, right?
Okay.
Oh, I have. Oh, my battery is glowing, but
Ah, okay.
a lot of pictures here. But in the next time, I
Yeah, you have to show me them.
okay.
Ah, and what time is it where you are?
Oh, it's not now. I think that 10, 10 no, 10 and oh my goodness, 10. I'm not sorry.
You'll get there.
Ai, das French berries. 10 to 10.
10 to 10.
Yeah,
So 9:50.
yeah.
Well done. Very
10.
good.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
It's good.
So basic. Sorry.
Oh, no. It takes a long time to remember all these things.
Mhm.
Ah. Is that AM or PM?
AM.
Ah, very early.
Yeah, I'm
Ah.
working at home now.
Ah.
because there is pandemic.
Because of coronavirus.
Yeah.
And it's quite bad in Brazil right now?
Sorry?
Is it quite bad in Brazil at the moment?
I think that, but the things are staying better.
Starting to improve?
Yeah, starting to improve. We have a really good government, local
good.
government, local government. Yeah. So our leader is very wise. So in the beginning of this pandemic, can I say that?
Pandemic, yeah.
Yeah, this pandemic, everything closed. So there are a lot of people sick, but the system, the healthy system, had time to improve, to make the necessary change to receive people.
That's brilliant.
So, and we have we are the first state that
started to drop.
The curve starts to drop.
That's it. Yeah, the curve starts to drop. Brilliant. That's good to hear.
And we are a very small state from Amazon, so we are isolated. So, but I think that we are much more wise than the rest of the country.
That's good to hear.
Yeah.
And what about things you enjoy doing? Do you have what do you do for fun?
Well, I really like to read, listen to music. I really like to travel to the rural part of my state. My family have a little farm, so
nice.
Yeah, it's a good place to just relax.
That's nice.
I really like to visit my grandparents. They live there.
That's nice.
Yeah, my state have a lot of small farms.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the principal. Yeah, it's our small state that the principal part of population lives in the rural part. So
that's nice.
My city is the capital, and we have around I think that 300,000 of people. It's like a small city for a capital.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah. It's a lot bigger than my city.
Oh, yeah. Where do you live?
I live in a tiny city called Norwich in England.
What's the name?
Norwich.
Norwich. Oh, okay. Norwich.
It's tiny. It's a very ancient city.
Let me see on Google Maps. I really like to do that. Yeah, I really like to put the name of the cities on Google Maps and just like walking around.
Yeah, you can see who you're talking to and where they're from.
Wow. It's
a very small, quiet city.
It's far from London, right?
Yeah, about 100 miles.
Oh, it's
not too long. 2 hours drive.
Yeah.
Leticia, I think our time is now running out.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Nice to meet you.
Bye.
Keep practicing. Bye.